Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome to episode 156, I believe we're at. Marathon Mondays with Mal down here at Desert Shores. Talk about a luxury RV park. Down in Indio, California. I'm going to flip this around so you can see that it's actually me. Good morning, everyone. I am really happy to be here this morning and to show you this coach. We're going to go take a look at that coach right there in the background. That's Marathon Coach 1202. Now, 1302. Anyway, I'm going to flip this back around. You've got to see this beautiful view. I just love it down here at Desert Shores. What a beautiful park. Hope everyone's having a good Monday morning. Let me know where you're watching from. Send me some comments, some questions. And if you're interested in anything, of course, you know, malw@marathoncoach.com. Murray Selesky with Natalie watching from Bay 5, the service department in Coburg. There it is, Coach 1302. We're going to take a walk through. I'm going to show, 1202. I keep saying that. I apologize, you guys. It's 1202. This is an H3 double slide with 46,000 miles. It's for sale. This is a beautiful coach. It's a 2012. Let's go check it out. Very well taken care of. Custom coach from 2012. I see my man Richard Lawrence is watching from sunny Central Florida. He knows I'm not splitting any hairs when I tell him he's one of my favorite people on here. I tell you, we've had some good times. Long sofa here on the driver's side in the salon. And of course the two recliners on the passenger side or the curb side. Good size galley, residential size refrigerator. And taking us back to 2012 when this coach was built, take a look at this glassware with the Marathon logos on them. Good storage throughout, and when I talk about good storage, it's not just in the galley. Look at all these mirrors here, everybody. So one side of these, you got the washer dryer stacking here. And then over here, you've got a very large closet. Try and back up a little so you can see it with the built-ins down there. This is a great option for those of you looking to get into a coach. This guy, what are we looking at? 2012? It's a 2012, 46,000 miles. Really set up for a couple. Lots of storage. There are 13 compartments down here, you guys, for storage. All along the patio side, the curb side of the bedroom, and then into these drawers, and then into this closet. So there's lots of storage for clothing or whatever you need to store. And then, of course, in the very back of the coach is a full closet. Audio visual is also back there. Lots of closet space. So you really have two full closets in the rear and right here in the hallway of the coach. Roman shades in the bedroom. Standard blinds in the salon and galley. Water closet right here, everybody. Take a look at that. I like the floor in here too. Good colors in this coach. And remember, if there's something you see in this coach that you don't like, it can always be changed. You purchase the coach and you reimagine it, just like my man Murray and Natalie did. You know, they bought a coach with good bones, as he would say, and then they reimagined it. Talk about good bones. This 1202, 46,000 miles on a 2012 marathon. This would be a great coach for someone to looking to get into a pre-owned marathon. We're going to go, stay with us. We're going to go out and look at the bays real quick. Give you a little shot of the cockpit. Let's take a look at the exterior. Beautiful shot right here by the swimming pool here at Desert Shores. If you've been to Indio, you know how beautiful it is down here. All right, let me show you these bays. I'm only going to show you a couple because I'll show you the good stuff, right? There's a slide out right down there. I believe this is the entertainment bay in Bay 2. Yes, it is. Entertainment bay right here. Bay 3 on Coach 1202 is the generator bay. And then Bay 4, take a look at this, everybody. Oh, yeah. Storage, refrigerator, and freezer. Now remember, coaches can be completely customized. Coaches can be completely altered, reimagined, to use a term that I like to use. There it is. So anyway, everybody, thank you so much. I've been on the road for quite a while. I was over in Las Vegas at the NADA show, and I've been down here for over a week in Indio. Let me know if there's anything I can do. malw@marathoncoach.com is my email. You guys already know that. I would love to see you in a marathon if that's what you want to do. And this is a really good option right here, Coach 1202. We've got lots of them. In fact, check this out. Down here we've got beautiful 1265, which is a quad slide, very custom coach. So yeah, that's about it, everybody. I really appreciate it. Be yourself and do good things. I'll be checking out with you next Monday. Feel free to reach out to me. If you're in the Coburg area, stop by for a tour. We have a great factory tour, and I'll be seeing you later from Desert Shores, Indio.